Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem many developers face when working with arrays of string values in the DOM. Picture this. You have an array filled with words like house, people, cat, and dog, and you want to check if any of these words exist within certain elements in the DOM. Tricky, right? Now let's talk about the solution. Remember, the key here is to use the Array.includes method to search for text within the array. By utilizing the .filter method instead of .find, you can locate all the matching elements in the DOM. Once you have those elements, you can then use .forEach to carry out a specific action, such as adding a class to hide them from view. Clever, isn't it? In summary, we've tackled a pesky problem by implementing a smart solution that efficiently scans the DOM for specific text values from an array. With a bit of code wizardry involving Array.includes, .filter, and .forEach, you can seamlessly identify and customize elements based on predefined string values. And just like that, you're one step closer to mastering the art of DOM manipulation. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!